actually believe it? Well, the solution is very simple. You can literally ask in the comment section to our fans who actually use our product, and you're gonna see that it is literally just as I shown you. Even if there is dust on the phone, you can just put it on top, pull the dust removing tape, swipe, and then peel. You can now swipe the edges. And as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. Privacy version protects your privacy from both sides 28 degrees. Hydrophobic electroplated oleophobic layer makes your screen silky smooth and fingerprint proof. It is scratch resistant and extremely durable that is going to protect your phone properly.